National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Litchfield County in northern Connecticut until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Litchfield, or 10 miles southwest of Torrington, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include New Milford, Thomaston, Litchfield, Northwest Irwinton, Oakville, New Preston, Terryville, Woodbury Center, Watertown, Plymouth, Woodbury, Howinton, Bethlehem, Washington, Morris, Roxbury, Bridgewater, Warren, Bantam, and Hotchkissville.